mag-promote, tayo rin. Pero paano naman maghihingalo ang pag-promote kung mas marami ang gustong negatibo? Hindi ko sinasabing dapat paktakpan ang negatibo. Ang sinasabi ko lang, i-overwhelm natin at sa kapatagan at sa coastal communities. Kilokal lang po, nagkakatrabaho po ang mga tao. And thank you to the chair, the additional 500 million branding. I also wanted to say that when you compare our investment in tourism with our ASEAN neighbors, sila po times 2, times 5%, tayo po napakaliit. At kasama na dyan yung ating kakulangan. Let me just put on record, the Philippines operates with a marketing budget of only $52 million while Thailand allocates $168 million, 3.2% larger. Indonesia, $234 million, 4.5% larger. And Malaysia, $263 million, 5 times larger. This massive budget gap severely limits global visibility and competitiveness, even though the Philippines delivers the highest yield per tourist, 2,055, and one of the best ROIs in ASEAN. Ano pong ibig sabihin po nito? Yung ginagastos po ng kada turistang dumarating. Tayo po, ayon again, sa datos, hindi ko po inimbento to, hindi naman po inimbento ng matalinong abogadong secretary ng tourism, tayo po ang pinakamalaki na per capita ginagastos po. At yan po ay base sa mga datos. So, I am grateful to Your Honor for supporting this, and perhaps when we do our final committee report, we can even enhance further the tourism budget.
Ang dahilan, Mr. President, ay nakikita po natin ay yung expensive transportation going to certain areas. It is beyond the control of the Department of Tourism, yung murang mga pamasahe, Mr. President. We have beautiful beaches in Basilan, we have beautiful beaches in Jolo, Tawi-Tawi, and other parts of the country. We have a beautiful scenery po dito sa Batanes. Unfortunately, Mr. President, napakamahal po. Mas mahal pa ang pamasahe sa mga lugar na ito kaysa pumunta ka ng Hong Kong. And this is the reason why, Mr. President, na our people would rather go to Hong Kong or Taiwan kasi yung one-way ticket going to Batanes or one-way ticket going to Tawi-Tawi is more expensive compared to a round-trip ticket going to Hong Kong, Mr. President. Now, my question is, Mr. President, anong may efforts na po ba ang ginagawa ang DOT para kausapin itong mga airlines na ito na baka pwede naman tumulong to promote local tourism, Mr. President?
You're correct, Mr. President. May mga nagsasabi, mas mura pa pumunta, let's say, sa Hong Kong or sa Singapore, etc. pag maaraw. Let me just put this on record.